Hey guys, Rajib here from Financial Hub India. So in today's sessions, I'll be talking about a stock called India Cement. I've been tracking this stock for a trade, and still there is no trading opportunity so far. But the kind of setup is found in this stock currently is very much attractive if it forms finally. So let me go through the analysis here. Now I'm watching out this stock in a 60-minute time frames basically. And as you can see here, we have a trading channel right over here. This one. So right now what I'm tracking is this channel. As you all know, you can trade this channel in two different ways. A breakout towards upside or downside from this channel, and as well as inside this channel, isn't it? But where the channel has formed is a very interesting situation here. So to explain the entire thing and to give you the price action context in this overall chart, let me go through multiple time frames. So things will be much more clear to you. Let me show you the weekly chart first. So this is a weekly chart, and I know you can see a lot of lines here, and it looks like very much confusing, but it's not really. So let me go through these lines I've drawn first, just to make it more clear. The first line you see here, it's a support level right on here. So the overall trend, if you see, is really up to here, all right, this point, and then we got the next swing, and this swing again goes up and stops instead of breaking that and doing a continuation of the existing uptrend. So the first line here you see is a line coming up right from this swing low, all right, and then if you see price again coming back down and really retesting the last support level here. It was retesting the last higher low swing here, and it was kind of trying to moving up here, but as I can see, I don't see any kind of buying opportunities right over here, but still it has spent around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks on these areas mostly, right? But finally nothing had happened. So if you are a student of Financial Hub India, then you must be knowing the concept of change of trend. For the new people who are not a part of this Financial Hub India, for them, I'll quickly say what is a change of trend concept we have in Financial Hub India. The change of trend is nothing but the change of the structure. So if you are going with a higher high and higher low formations, and then the price falls below the last higher low swing here, all right? So we say there is a change of a structure, isn't it? Because so far it was making higher high and higher low, but now the overall structure has broken since it has gone below the last higher low swing for the first time. So here the last higher low is known as the change of trend level. If we see the price is trading well below the change of trend level, then we assume that the existing uptrend momentum it had is paused or it's finished. But we don't say a break of the last higher low swing here will start a downtrend. We don't say that. So mark it. All right, it's a break of last higher low swing or a break of or a change of a structure in the trend will just indicate us that there is an end of the existing running momentum, which is this uptrend. That's it. Whether it has created a downtrend after a break of this, that depends on the kind of formations it forms after that. All right, so there are a lot of things attached with this change of trend concept. This is just a one-line summary, you can say, to introduce change of trend level with you guys. In future, hopefully I'll be doing some change of trend videos also, because this change of trend is a very much important topic for us in our courses, and we spend a lot of days with it in change of trend. So there are a lot of things to consider when you go for a change of trend, because all higher low swings will not be considered as change of trend. All right, so a higher low, which is this one, swing to be considered as a change of trend, it has its criteria, it has its own stories. So if the last higher low meets the stories, meets the criteria, then only we consider that last higher low, all right, as a change of trend level. So do not take it like if you see a higher low, that's a change of trend level. That's how it doesn't work. All right, it has to have more in-depth price action context to qualify as a change of trend level or a change of a structure level. So here we have this as a change of trend level, a qualified change of trend level we follow here. So we are assuming that if price goes below this, then this stock, India Cement, will be losing its upward momentum here. But we are not saying that it's gonna have a downtrend and it is going to be crashed, nothing like that. We are just saying if price falls below this level, that upward momentum will no longer exist here. And when we see the price is trading well below this change of trend level here, then we are not going to look for buy signal anymore in that price action context. And that is where change of trend plays a key role. Because in the market, when you see an uptrend or you see a downtrend, you need to define that till what time you are going to follow this uptrend, or till what time you are going to follow this downtrend. And in case, if this is my uptrend and I'm saying this is my change of trend level, and in an uptrend, we always look for buying opportunities rather than finding for selling opportunities. But in case if I see this uptrend has violated this level, price coming down and gone well below this level, then I'm not going to look for any more buying opportunities in this stock. That's the only reason why we identify the change of trend level, to limit ourselves that how long we are going to be with the trend, whatever the existing trend is, and when to stop following that trend. Coming back to this chart, we have this change of trend level right over here. All right. Now the price has broken the level, not yet really. Again, in the course we have different types of false break concepts. So here we can see that the price is really testing that level. It's not a break of that exactly level. We can't say that price is trading well below the support level. Yeah, because if you see the market here, price came down here and you can see the pushback here, right? Again, a pushback. So every time price falls back below this level, there are pushbacks coming in. So price is not really holding below this level. All right. Again, if you see this one, again, there are, buying momentum we can see. And for the first time, this candle, we can see that, okay, price is really holding below this level for the first time. But again, if you analyze that single candle, which is holding below the level for the first time, again, it has its own gain. All right. It has fallen down, but there was again a pushback there. So we can't say, so looking at the price action context happening here, we can't say that price is really holding and trading well below this level. We can't make that a statement. So this is a common problem I have seen in the traders. They don't understand the difference between a test of a level and price trading well below the level. All right. See guys, these both are different things. Very few times you will see a particular level will be touched and bounce back. No, it's not gonna happen. Most of the times, a particular level, support or resistance level, any of your key level will be tested. So if you don't know the difference between a test of a level and price trading well below or well above the level, then it will create a lot of confusions. It will trigger a lot of the stop loss in your trades. All right. Okay. Again, coming back to the trade here. So this is our first line. Second line comes in right from here. So this was our resistance level. Price came back up here, and you can see how the price really struggled here to move above this level. And hardly it was able to move and traded well above this level. Again, look at this. This is called test. This is a key level, and the price is testing that level here with the false breaks. All right, this is not like price is trading above the level. This is like testing the level here. And then you got this breakout here and the momentum continued. All right, so this level is very much important as a resistance level initially, and then it became a flip support level currently. So the change of trend level in an uptrend itself is a support, we say. And you have this support area right over here. So in short, we can say we have a broader support range right over here. So it means we are on the support zone. We can still look for buying opportunities right over here. So anything I see, any form of buying opportunities right over here, I will go for it, definitely. So a buying opportunity can be found based on our reversal strategy or breakout strategy in any way. All right, what will be the ultimate target? Ultimate target will be this one. Sorry. This level will be my ultimate target here. There are a few more things, like in case we don't see anything over here, based on our trading strategies, if we don't find anything to buy over here and price just bounced back up and it started moving up, then what you can do is that, if you dive down to lower time frames, you will be getting levels to trade on its way back up. So if you see something, so whether you entered here or you didn't get a chance to enter here or buying opportunity based on your trading strategy, all right, it doesn't end the trade. Most of the time I've seen traders, if they don't find on a particular support level any form of trade based on their own strategies, they just leave the trade. And what happens later is that prices start shooting up, 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 they just see it. But what if we try to catch the opportunities it forms in between these price ranges? Why not? If prices started to fly from here, then you still have this much left, this much trading opportunities left, this much space left to make money. This is a weekly chart. See, it can be a daily time frame chart also with the same situations. So when you see these kind of things and you missed the opportunities right over here where you have been looking for buying it, or maybe you just bought it and you want to add up some more positions, all right, so in that case, don't just sit on the support level and exit on the resistance level. Try to ride the entire momentum with the internal key levels, So if I talk about these internal key levels, then where I should go is, let's draw this resistance level. All right, so now we are assuming that we entered here with our buying strategies, whatever it is, or we missed the trade, we didn't get anything over here and the price started shooting up, right? So in that case, you need to look for key levels above these levels. So what I can see here, I have a key level right here and here. So this will be much clearer to see in a lower time frame chart. Let's go into a lower time frame chart. Let's come to daily time frames. So look at this. This daily time frame has a resistance level right over here, right? Yeah. So here you can see the blue lines are the weekly lines I have drawn, and the daily and the red lines are the daily chart lines I have drawn. So since you have this resistance level here, you can wait for a breakout of this level, and then on a pullback you can get into this trade, or maybe once price reaches over here, it can give you a breakout structure we do in our course. You can enter with that. So it depends what kind of a strategy you are following. But the main thing I want to say is that once you get a trade, once you see the momentum started towards upside in the weekly time frame, right from here. Right from here, don't just leave it. Try to ride the entire momentum towards upside till the time it doesn't reach the ultimate target, we say, the ultimate resistance. All right, so in daily time frames, just dive in once the momentum starts. Then start tracking this key level of resistance using a breakout strategy or using a breakout pullback strategy. You can get into this trade and you can go for this level of resistance here. And now we know the change of trend level is in here, and we have a support level right over here, so it creates a range over here, support range. Now for me, if the price starts trading below this support zone, this support level, then this change of trend level will be confirmed for me. Then for me, I'll be considering this trend momentum is over, and I'll be start looking for sell signals in terms of weekly chart. All right, and I'll be start looking for sell signals, and my ultimate target in that sell signal will be this support area. So how we got this support area is that, let me show you this one. Now a support line can be drawn right on this bottom, and this is very clear. Price came back down here and it went up. So the key turning points are taken to draw the support levels. All right. Now again, this is supported by this one, and this is supported again by somewhere this one, very much close here. All right. So even if I'm not considering this one where it reacted, even if I just take this one, this is enough for me, because this is a huge swing, or a strong sell-off and a strong push-up. All right, it's a major swing, we say in the course. Now, the next one is, where is this line coming from? This line comes from here. All right, again, I can see a major swing here. It goes up and it comes down all the way back here. So all these are internal swings inside, but the overall swing starts right from here and it ends in here. All right. So if you see this one, we have this support level here, support level here, support level here. So in all these swings, if I am supposed to take the key swings, the key turning points, those will be this one, from where the turn started, from where the overall swing started. And the second point is, and the overall swing ended on the support level, and from the support level, price again tried to push up, and again price turned from this point, and again it has slammed the price to the overall support level back again. All right, and that's how. And since I see the major turning points, the major price action reactions coming in this 1 and 2 areas. This 1 and 2 area will be working as a key support level for me, and somehow, if you see, this 1 and 2 area reacted well after a breakout and pullback, because this is where the price is paused its momentum. So in between this and this, I have 2 more lines here, but those 2 lines are not that significant to consider as my ultimate target. But I feel like this level is more significant for me to consider it as a ultimate target. All right. So if price goes below this level, I will be targeting this one as my ultimate target. Now, why I'm using the term ultimate target? Because we have different levels of targets. There can be target 1, there can be target 2, there can be target 3, but there will be an ultimate target 2, where you are exiting, where you plan to exit your full quantity. All right. So these mid lines can be used as a target 1 or target 2. But again, when we go for target 1 or target 2, we don't exit blindly on the level. Most of the time, we prefer to exit on target 1 or target 2 or target 3 based on price action reactions. So if we see the price coming back down here, and once it reaches the target 1 or the first line or this first line, then we'll start watching the price action happening there. And if we see no reversal kind of price action is really happening over there, then we'll leave it for target 2. And again, if we see nothing is really happening, any kind of no serious price action is happening to take a decision to exit, then we'll leave it for the ultimate target. And in the meantime, obviously, we are trading the stop losses based on our stop losses strategy. Now, let me show you how I get this target 1 and target 2. So the target 2 is coming from here. If I take a major overall thing, what happened? If I take and you will see this was the overall swing, all right, and then came down up to here. Then this was the next level of swing, right? So from here, I got this line, and somehow this line reacted in this price action even. All right, so let me show you how it is. I would not have taken that line if it would not have reacted here. You know, this was price gave a breakout above that level and it came back down, and on the pullback it took support right over that level, which shows that that level is really reacting. It goes up, and after a break of this level, you know, you can see a good amount of sell-off and leading the price to the next level of support here. All right, so that's how I got that level here. Whatever the next target, next level comes from here, as in target 2 goes up, up, price fails to move above this level here in this up move, and then same as it would be considered as a change of trend level for us, and price came back down, and then it lost its momentum, basically its upward trend momentum. So price again broke above that level, broke down below that level, so price is still respect. So as far as I see that, the price is really respecting that level, and it's not zigzagging on the level. So basically, when you draw a key level and price, if you see the price is zigzagging on that particular level for a long time, then you can stop following that key level further. All right, and that's not the case in here. Okay, so a lot of talks on the weekly chart here, and I'm running out of time for the day, basically. So what I'll do is that I'll keep doing this analysis. I'll keep recording this analysis for you guys, maybe tomorrow. All right, so hopefully this will be a 2-part series, because there are a lot of talks that are coming in. Even I didn't think about these many things to talk about when I was just planning to record this session. So I'll do the next part tomorrow, and I'll be covering the daily time frames and going back into the hourly time frame chart and doing the analysis for the trade, and that will be really interesting. And so stay tuned with me. All right, thank you for your time.